Integrating WorldPay REST API is a straightforward process that enables you to accept payments securely and efficiently. To begin, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your client key and client secret, which are used for authentication. First, log into your WorldPay account and navigate to the Developer section, where you can find your client key and client secret. These credentials are essential for authenticating your API requests, so keep them secure. Next, choose the programming language you want to use for integration, such as Java, Python, or PHP. WorldPay provides code examples and libraries for popular languages to simplify the integration process. To initiate the payment process, you need to create a payment request. This involves sending a POST request to the WorldPay API with the payment details, including the amount, currency, and payment method. You can use the WorldPay API documentation to find the correct endpoint and parameters for your request. When sending the request, make sure to include your client key and client secret in the authorization header. This will authenticate your request and allow you to access the WorldPay API. Once the payment request is sent, WorldPay will respond with a payment link or a token. Depending on the payment method, you can then redirect the customer to the payment link or use the token to complete the payment. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure a smooth payment experience. WorldPay provides error codes and messages to help you diagnose and resolve issues. Best practices for integrating WorldPay REST API include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, and storing sensitive data securely. You should also implement tokenization to reduce the risk of data breaches and comply with payment card industry standards. In conclusion, integrating WorldPay REST API is a straightforward process that requires careful planning and attention to security. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide a secure and efficient payment experience for your customers.